Our tour has officially finished. We have toured the Dallas Cowboy practice facility.
You could have did that before you started the camera.
Well, because of wind, I had to hold it down. But thank you for your concern. I got some pictures, some of them not great because someone else took them. Some of them do look good.
It's not my fault you can't spin the ball.
It's your fault, you're bad photographer. But we shall continue and see what happens next.
You want me to talk about my quiz for 10 days?
Sure. You back. All I can hear is them.
Y'all want to do 11 o'clock?
Sure. Anyway, alright, so we here at the Cowboys facility. I was like, get the quick pan. Yeah, so we're here at the facility. You know, I always got to keep your rock on me. And this is part 1 of the quest for the 10 day. I'm about to go out there, run a couple of routes, you know what I'm saying? Catch a couple of balls, and do my thing. We'll see you back after the work.
We are at the Cowboys practice facility. We just kind of walked around, took a few pictures. Yeah, you can't even see him, but you can hear him. He wanted to go play on that little field out there. Yeah. But now we're just gonna walk on and take on Dallas and see what all of it has to offer. We're at IKEA. What kind of store is this? A home, whatever its government title is. IKEA. We can't see that.
It don't matter, just put it in the description. Or put
What was that?
My IG finna be right. You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Like Goodly?
Yeah.
Blue Instagram symbol too?
Yeah.
Alright. Follow me on IG, it's finna be right here. You gonna make it like pop up too, like right when I do the
Yeah.
Cool, yeah, it's gonna be right here. You gonna like fit it in between my hands too?
Maybe. We'll see.
You suck.
But we're just out here to look around, see what we see. Maybe we can get some college dorm room stuff while we're here. We already went to the mall. We went to the food court to go eat, and we walked around. I got some Lush stuff, and he sat in there. He didn't offer any type of input, no help. He just sat in there to
Either you know
watch
what you want or you don't.
I knew what I wanted. There was no reason for him to be there. And yeah, so now we made it to IKEA. We're just gonna look around. Hopefully I get some college dorm room stuff. I need some sheets, a comforter, and that's pretty much it. And then maybe some knickknacks to put on my desk. But
knick-knack, paddywhack, give it ball.
this is day 1 of the Texas takeover going.
Actually, day 2.
Going fine. I don't count yesterday because we were in the car all day. So.
It is.
drinks. He's got Indian style fries.
You put everything on here. Hiya folks, it's me again. Dang, the sun got in my eyes instantly. Now I'm out here looking like a light skin.
Is that what we look like?
Yes, I gotta sit here and talk to the camera like this. And what's good, y'all? We just left the Oklahoma facility. You know what I'm saying? We cooling right now. A little man in the building. Say hi to the people. I told y'all it's a takeover now. It's no longer mainly Marissa. It's big mainly Trevor and his associate. Little man in there. But I don't even know what we finna do right now. We just finna be cooling as of right now. That's all I know. She drunk anyway.
Are you recording this?
That's tough. Yeah. So we finna finesse something up real quick.